All right, we're going to take a look at lesson 6, the questions on light, and then also heat or cold. So we'll start with the questions about light. So number 1 says, how does light interact with different materials such as clear plastic and metal? So think about clear plastic and how does light affect or interact with that material? Can it go through the plastic? Does it stop when it hits the plastic? What do you think happens? What about metal? Think about what happens when light hits metal. How can it affect the metal, that material? Can it go through the metal? Does it do something else when it hits the metal? Is it related to heat? Does it do something in regards to heat? Number 2, how might light shining on the closed cup system cause the liquid inside to change in temperature? So think about all of our cup systems. Think about the regular cups, the fancy cups, the metal cups, the double layered metal cups. If light is shining on those cup systems, how does it cause the liquid inside to change in temperature? Did some of the cups block the light? Did some of the cups allow the light to shine through? And how could that affect the temperature? Number 3, how could you represent your thinking using a model? So think about particles. We're now drawing models at the particle level. So think about how light might affect particles of water. So if light hits particles of water, how is it affecting those particles of water? Number 1 for heat and cold. How does heat move? Does cold move too? Does heat move from one object to the next? Does cold move from one object to the next? And then number 2, how might heat or cold cause the liquid inside the closed cup system to change in temperature? If heat can move through something, then could it cause the liquid inside the closed cup system to change in temperature? What about cold? Can cold move? And if it can, then does it cause the liquid to change in temperature inside of a closed cup system? So go ahead and answer those questions. And then you will move on to lesson 7.